Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will give the more information about the Esper theory. Esper theory mainly explain the shape of the molecules. So in this video, I will give the detailed information about the shape of molecules, how to remember, how to find out the shape of molecules. This chart, this table is useful to you. Okay students. So before you going to explain these points, first you understand these words. In those, A means central atom, B means bonded atom, E means lone pair. Or understand? A means central atom, B means bond atom, E means lone pair. I will write there some columns. Let us look at one. First one is total number of pairs. Total number of pairs. First column. Next column is type of hybridization. Type of hybridization. Third one is type of molecule. Type of molecule. Next one is number of bond pairs. Next, number of lone pairs. Arrangement of electron pairs. And then shape of molecules and examples. Last one, geometry and bond angles and explanation. So I will explain with neat information, clear information. Okay students, okay, look at that. First one is total number of pairs. So total number of pairs means starting number is 2. Total number of pairs means 2. So if the number of pairs are 2, what is the hybridization you know? The hybridization is sp. Sp is the hybridization. Type of molecule in sp, A, B, 2. AB2. AB2 is the type of molecule. Number of bond pairs is A means central atom 1, B means bond atoms. So bond pairs are 2. Lone pairs are 0. Lone pairs are 0. So central atom is A. Arrangement of electron pairs. There how many electron pairs is the total? 2 pairs. In those, how many bond pairs? 2 bond pairs. How many lone pairs? 0 lone pairs. So bond pairs I will write with this color. This is the arrangement. This is the arrangement. A is the central atom. These two are bond pairs. According to the Esper theory, arrangement of electron pairs, I have one condition. I will explain that one in my previous video also. So arrangement of electron pairs around the central atom want to have the minimum repulsion. Minimum repulsion. This is the arrangement of electron pair. A is the central atom. These two bonds are bond pairs. So shape of molecule. Once you observe the shape is a straight line. So that's the shape of molecule is linear shape. Linear shape. So examples. Before I will explain the examples, you have simple trick to find the what are the examples for this example, this one. So in that examples, you have one formula, A plus 2 into B. A plus 2 into B. There A means number of bond pairs, B means number of lone pairs. In this example, in AB2, bond pairs are 2. So 2 plus 2 into 0, 0. So what is the number, group number is comes there? 2. So 2 means, group number 2 means second year group. Second year group means beryllium. B is the central atom. B is Cl2 or BeH2. Do you understand this trick students? Plus 2 into B. So for that one, 2 plus 2 into B means number of lone pairs are 0. So total 2. So second group element, that is A or B. Second A or second B is the central atom. So I will take two examples, beryllium chloride and beryllium hydride. So in those, what is the central atom? Beryllium is the central atom. So the bond atoms are this one for chlorine, 1, 1. So what is the bond angle? What is the bond angle? 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Linear shape means, straight line means 180 degrees. Okay students, in sp hybridization, Ab2 type of molecule, BeCl2 and BH2. H2 having the shape is linear shape. Bond angle is 180 degrees. Why like that arranging? Why not arranging like that? Why? Because they have more repulsions. Compared to this one. They have very less repulsions. Very less repulsions. But they have more repulsions. What is the condition for Esper theory? Arrangement of electron pairs have minimum repulsions. That's why like that only arranging. Like that not arranging. Okay. So total number of pairs are 2. In this pair you have only one possibility. That is also this one only. Next one is number of pairs are 3. Total number of pairs are 3. So what is the hybridization, you know students? sp2. sp2. Next one is the type of molecule you can write. There 2 means Ab2. There 3 means Ab3. So there are also number of bond pairs are 3. Number of lone pairs are 0. This is one type. And the next type is Ab2 and E. There I will add one lone pair. So bond pairs are how many have in those? B2 means 2 bond pairs. How many lone pairs? 1 lone pair. These are the possibilities. You have for sp2. So what are the arrangement of electron pairs? So in the central atom is A. So how many bond pairs is there? 3 bond pairs. So 1, 2 and 3. This is the arrangement of the electron pairs. Why like that only arranging? Like that arrangement only have the minimum repulsions. So less energy. So the type of molecule is more stable. Okay students. So what is the shape? Trigonal. How many bonds are there? 3. So that's why trigonal planar. So according to the group number formula, A means 3, B means 0. So 3 plus 2 into 0, 3 only. So what is the group number 3 elements? Boron. So BCl3, BCl3 and BF3 are the examples. Simple trick. To find the central atom group number, you can write the examples. So what is the geometry and shape bond angles? So I will take the central atom, boron, bond angle 1, 2 and 3. So I will write the fluorine for boron trifluoride. So bond angle is, what is the bond angle there? 120 degrees. Sp for bond angle is 180. sp2 for bond angle is 120 without lone pairs. But sp2 with 1 lone pair means 2 bond pairs, 1 lone pair. 2 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. So I will replace this bond pair with lone pair. I will replace the bond pair with lone pair. This bond pair with lone pair I will replace. So lone pair I will write this one like that. This color means lone pair. Means lone pair. So one lone pair. This point is very important, students. Shape of the molecule takes the only bond pairs, does not take the lone pair. Shape of the molecule takes the only the bond pairs. So there the bond pairs are only two pairs. This two. So once observe the shape, V shape. V shape. So the shape of the molecule is V shape or bent shape. V shape or bent shape. So what are the examples for this one? According to the rule, according to the formula, A plus means 2 bond pairs. So 2 plus 2 into bond pairs. 2 into B means lone pairs. 2 into lone pairs. How many lone pairs is there? 1. So 2 plus 2 into 1 means how much? 4. So fourth group element is the central atom for these type of examples. Fourth group element is the central atom for this type of examples. So fourth group means what? Carbon. So CCl2. CCl2 or strontium chloride, SnCl2. These are the fourth group elements examples. CCl2 and SnCl2. Okay, students. If the lone pairs is there, it is difficult to find out the bond angles. It is difficult to find out the bond angles accurately. That's why I will not mention the bond angles for these lone pair examples. Okay, students. So in those, what is the central atom? Carbon is the central atom. So lone pairs, I mean lone pairs is there? One lone pair. So one lone pair. So bond pairs, I mean have 2. So like that arrangement only. Arrangement only. This molecule is stable. Like that arrangement only, this molecule is stable molecule. Okay, this is sp2 hybridization for these two possibilities. Next one. Next number is 2, 3 completed. Next one is 4. 4 means what is the hybridization? You know what? sp3. sp3. So type of molecules. What are the possibilities we have? I'll write some possibilities. All 4 are bond pairs, 0 lone pairs. That is one type. Next one is 3 bond pairs, 1 lone pair. That is another possibility. Next one is 2 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs. So now I will write the type of molecules. Type of molecules. There B means bond pairs total 4. So that's why AB4 is the type. But there AB3E for 3 and 1. Next AB2, B2 and E2. AB2 and E2. AB2 means bond pairs are 2. E2 means lone pairs are 2. Okay, this is the possibilities for these are the possibilities for sp3 hybridization. Okay, these 3 are possibilities. Okay, students. Then first possibility, 4 bond pairs, 0 lone pairs. So in 4 bond pairs means electron pairs, it's like arranging around the central atom. I will write there A is the central atom. So 4 bond pairs are 1, 2, 3 and 4. The shape you can call that one tetrahedral. 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 There 3 means trigonal. But there how many have? 4 means tetrahedral. So according to the examples, group number A plus 2 into B. Their A means 4. 2 into 0, 0. 4 plus 0, 4. 4 means fourth A group element, carbon. CH4, CCl4. CH4 and CCl4. So geometry and bond angle is same as CH4 or CCl4. What is the central atom? Carbon is the central atom. So carbon is the central atom. Total how many bonds pairs is there? 4. You have any lone pair in that one? No. So that's why 1, 2, 3 and 4. So hydrogens are Cl4. No problem. This is the structure of methane molecule. Structure of methane molecule. So what is the bond angle? 109 degrees 28 seconds. What is the bond angle? 109 degree 28 seconds. The shape of the molecule is tetrahedral. Shape of the molecule is tetrahedral. Okay, students. And then let's go to the next type. AB3E. AB3E. So means bond pairs are 3 bond pairs. Lone pairs are 1 lone pair. So let us see the arrangement of electron pairs around the central atom. So this is the central atom. So arrangement of electron pairs are, you can remove this bond pair, you can place 1 lone pair. Clearly observe there. You can remove this bond pair, you can place 1 lone pair there. So that's why you can write. So lone pair. This is the lone pair. So once imagine the shape is like that. Pyramidal shape. What is the shape? Pyramid. So the shape you can call that one pyramidal shape. Pyramidal. So the formula, according to the example, the formula group number 3 plus 2 into 1. 3 plus 2, 5. So what is the group number? 5 elements. Nitrogen. Nitrogen. N, H3, NH3, and then PCl3, PCl3. These are the examples. Now I will explain clearly. So there, what is the central atom? Nitrogen is the central atom. How many bond pairs is there? 3 bond pairs, 1 lone pair. Generally the shape of this arrangement is tetrahedral. But in the shape of molecules, you cannot consider the lone pairs for the shape. That's why the shape of the NH3 molecule is pyramidal shape. Otherwise, the shape of the NH3 molecule is tetrahedral. Both are same arrangement. But we cannot consider the lone pair. We cannot consider the lone pair. That's why the shape of the NH3 molecule is pyramidal shape. So 1 lone pair. So minimum repulsions. This is the most stable structure of this molecule. Generally, what is the bond angle? 109 degree 28 seconds. But because of 1 lone pair, the bond angles are some distorted, means decreased to 107.5 48 seconds. 107.48 seconds. 107 degrees 48 seconds. This is the bond angle in NH3 molecule. Next type of possibilities are 2 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs. 2 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs. So same this arrangement also like that I will write central atom. But here you want to remove this structure, you can write like that. This is one lone pair. Because of lone pair are more repulsions than bond pair like that. The shape is distorted like that. Okay, students. So what is the shape of this one? You cannot consider this two. That's why you can consider this two only. We cannot consider this two. Okay, students. So what is the shape? V shape. V shape like that. V shape. But there are how many lone pairs? One lone pair. But there are 2 lone pairs, 2 bond pairs. So V shape or bent shape. V shape or bent shape. Examples: 2 plus 2 into 2, 2 plus 4, 6. So group number is 6. Group number, 6 group elements: oxygen, sulfur, selenium, polonium. These are the 6 group elements. So that's why oxygen is the central atom. So all of you know the formula of water: H2O, H2S. Very bad smell. H2S. These are the examples. So I will explain the geometry. What is the central atom for a water molecule? Oxygen. So oxygen. How many lone pairs? 2 lone pairs. 1, 2. So bond pairs. So bond angle 104.5 degrees. 104.5 degrees. This is about the sp3 hybridization type models. In sp3 you have 3 types of possibilities. In those 4 bond pairs, 0 lone pairs. 3 bond pairs, 1 lone pair. 2 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs. AB4 type molecule for example is CH4 and CCl4. AB3E for this example is very important for 10th class students and as well as for also MSET and NEET exams also. This is also very important. They are asking the question like that: 2 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs. What is the example? 2 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs. What is the example? They are given the options: H2O given, remaining are given. So you want to pick up the H2O. H2O having 2 bond pairs, 2 lone pairs. Like that asking the questions in MSET and NEET exams also. Okay, students. Students, take the screenshot and you can do the practice for better understanding. Like that you can do the hard work. You definitely got the best ranks in IIT and MSET exams. If you have any questions, mention in the comment section. Thank you, students. Thanks for watching.